Anyway, hello everybody.
I have a broom.
No, I shouldn't have a broom.
I should have a broom.
Okay.
What? Are you okay?
Yeah, we're at a shooting range.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So yeah, we're at a shooting range, and Nova's trying to find her.
Where'd you put the broom?
I hit it. But yeah, we're at a shooting range that I think was based on World War I, World War II. I don't know. We've tried recording this video so many times that it's just like,
This isn't controversial, is it?
I don't know what that means.
This isn't gonna get seen in bad ways, and we're not gonna get cancelled, right?
I just want to do a shooting thingy because we've already done 2 of them, but I want to do another one. Jesus Christ! At least I'm getting a bit calmer. I'm just trying to get you. Okay, I hate this gun so much. Oh my god! Wait, why can't I just not shoot the gun? Oh, never mind.
What's the point of this again?
For fun.
What if I shoot this?
Shoot what now?
The bullets face through you. Fun. See? We don't need violence, right? Right, Frost?
Don't move your ass out of the way. I'm shoving this up your ass.
Huh? Please I can use it, 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 please I can use it.
Is that a tank? Wait, is it like a small
Can I use it?
It's like the front of a tank.
I can't
Why
use it.
Why is the front of a tank here?
Ross, is it normal for a daycare attendant to have horrible aim?
Yes. It's normal for them to
why are you so good at aiming?
It's not normal for them to have good aim. I'm gonna shoot you.
Why are you good at aiming?
Move. I will shoot you in the face. Move out.
Okay, I'm sorry. But really, though, why?
I warned you. Get behind the line. Those are for those
behind the line.
Get behind this line. I'm going to take away your glitter
behind the line.
privileges.
Don't you touch my glitter glue.
I'm bulletproof. You're not. I've been built to be bulletproof.
Why?
I got Monty to make me bulletproof. Bulletproof.
What?
I got Monty to make me bulletproof.
Why does Monty like you? What did I do to? Where'd my gun go? Where's my gun? Oh, there. You need to calm down.
No.
At least I'm getting a bit calmer.
No, Frost.
I got the squirrel. I got it like twice.
So what the squirrel did? Actually, wait. You're not gonna shoot the dog over there, right? Frost, no! It's just like Sparky. It's just like Sparky, Frost.
Well, that's a good idea. Yeah.
Why am I so bad at this?
So am I, buddy.
Huh? You got 300s. How are you bad at this?
There's a whole other place back there.
Yeah, I want to see what that is over there. You scared me.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot.
Why are you shooting at me?
Dance, bitch. I'm making a reference. I hope you know.
I'm not educated on the internet. I don't know what the what your reference is.
That's water.
Frost, what are you singing?
No.
Frost, I heard that. I heard you singing.
I have my internal music box again, okay?
Can you please tell me how to work it?
No.
Mm.
I'm listening to Rip and Tear.
That sounds very violent.
It's about like the blood moons from the Ultimate Universe from the hit show Sun and Moon.
The Who's?
The hit show, the Sun and Moon show. Definitely not a fan
I
show.
don't know what that is.
You're breaking the fourth wall, Nova.
Stop breaking the fourth.
Definitely not a fan show.
Damn it. Oh.
What do you expect? Oh, okay, screw you then.
Ross, what's down there?
Let's go look.
What?
Oh. Okay.
Ross. I lost my gun.
I know, I had to get my mech.
Ah. Stop shooting me!
If the amount of times you go close, it's probably gonna end up being the video thumbnail, because we can't have custom thumbnails because YouTube won't let me verify. Still bulletproof.
How do I...
I'm just doing this in silence. God, bitch.
So you're just gonna make the thumbnail my face?
If I have to, because I gotta pick certain parts of the video and I can't really choose. Hey, I got 100 on the 40!
No, you didn't.
Oh, I'm so proud of myself.
Mm.
Can I reload it, please?
No, you can't. You don't get reload privileges. Why is it making me reload over and over?
I'm going further and further. Without...
This gun is really getting on my nerves. I'm gonna...
I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
Okay.
You okay?
The gun is not reloading.
I got 100 on the 60! I got 200 on the 60!
Why are you so good at it?
Yippee!
Why are you so good at this, Frost?
Okay, let me try and get this 90. Oh, wait, is that... No, that's 80, I think?
Oh.
I'm gonna be really good next time we 1v1.
No, we're not doing that again. We're not doing that again, Frost. You understand?
I'm shooting you in the face. Oh, the broom respawned!
The broom!
Did it respawn or did just another one came? No, it respawned.
Ha!
God damn it. Anyway, that's all for today.
Stop.
That's
Broom your
all
face.
for today, everybody. My face is getting broomed. I'm counting this as harassment. That's all today.
Stop me!
Goodbye, everybody.
Frost is a broom.
Oh my god.
Make fan art of Frost as a broom.
Don't make grandma as me as a broom.
Make fan art of Frost as a broom.
Join the Jackie and Owen Show Discord. Subscribe to Jackie and Owen Show and us, please.
Stop it.